Let's start with our first pathway. This one is designed for those of you who are way more interested in the why and the what of AI, not so much the how of writing the code. This is all about big picture strategy. And our first stop is a big one. We're talking about the University of Pennsylvania, an Ivy League school. They offer a course that is just perfect for this. It's called AI for Business, and it's built from the ground up to be accessible to absolutely everyone. I mean, just think about the value here. In only 4 weeks, you go from knowing nothing to understanding how AI is totally changing marketing, finance, and even HR. You'll learn how to think about AI strategy for an entire company. And get this, it's completely free. Okay, but what if you want to aim for a super specific high-demand job that, again, doesn't involve any coding? Well, that's exactly where IBM's AI Product Manager certificate comes into play. So what on earth does an AI product manager actually do? Okay, think about Instagram. When you're scrolling through your feed, there's an AI behind the scenes, right? It's learning what you like to keep you engaged. The AI product manager is the person who decides how that AI should work to hit that goal. They come up with the vision, and then they pass it over to the tech team to actually build it. So why is this role such a game changer? Well, it's a brand new field, which means there's a huge opportunity to get in on the ground floor. These jobs are extremely high-paying, and you can be amazing at it without writing a single line of code. This IBM certificate is designed to give you all those core skills in about 3 months. Okay, strategy is awesome. But what if you're the kind of person who learns best by actually doing stuff? By building things and seeing how they work from the inside out. If that sounds like you, then welcome to our second pathway. This one is all about getting those practical skills by digging in with hands-on experience and real-world projects. For this approach, a fantastic place to start is DataCamp. These guys have been a leader in this whole space for over a decade, and their entire philosophy is built around learning by doing. And it's pretty wild. In only about 10 hours, you'll get your hands on all the essentials, from basic machine learning to the generative AI that powers tools like ChatGPT, and even the ethics of it all. The real key here is their learning by doing model. You're not just sitting there watching videos, you're actively building projects, which really makes that knowledge stick. Now, if you want a free and more self-guided, hands-on option, deeplearning.ai is an absolutely incredible resource. They partner with giants like Microsoft and Google and offer this huge catalog of courses. You can just take it at your own pace to build up those practical skills. All right, for our third and final pathway, we're going deep. I mean, really deep. This is for those of you who hear about AI and think, I don't just want to use it or manage it, I want to build it. And what better place to start building that deep, fundamental knowledge than with Harvard? Their CS50 Introduction to AI with Python course is a legitimate, university-level class that gives you that core theoretical foundation that is so valuable. I mean, just look at the skills you learn here. We're talking about the deep principles behind AI. Things like search algorithms that help an AI find the best possible solution, or reinforcement learning, which is basically how an AI learns from trial and error. This isn't just about using a tool, it's about understanding how the tools themselves are actually made. That kind of knowledge is timeless, and again, you can learn it all for free. Now, let's say you've got the basics down, and you are ready for the ultimate challenge, the one that can lead to those 6-figure AI engineering salaries. If that's you, then you've got to look at IBM's AI Engineering Certificate. Okay, this one is the toughest on our list, and for good reason. It's an advanced program, and you'll need some basic high school math and Python skills to get started. But the goal here is huge, to teach you how to build, fine-tune, and deploy powerful AI models all by yourself. It's a tough journey, for sure, but the reward is becoming one of the actual architects of our AI-powered future. So, we've covered 3 totally distinct journeys: the strategist, the doer, and the builder. The big question now is, which one of these paths is the right one for you? This little guide here breaks it down perfectly. If you see yourself as a strategist, a manager, then look toward Penn or that IBM Product Manager certificate. If you're a practical doer, DataCamp and deeplearning.ai are going to be your best friends. And if you're an aspiring builder or engineer, Harvard and the IBM Engineering Certificate are your launchpads. Just see which one of those descriptions really clicks with you. So, how do you actually take action? It's a simple 3-step process. First, figure out your goal. What do you really want to do with AI? Second, be honest about your skills right now. And third, just choose the pathway we've talked about that's going to get you from where you are to where you want to be. Because make no mistake about it,
This future isn't just something that's happening to us. It's being actively built, project by project, skill by skill, right this very second. So the only real question left is, what part are you going to play?